What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy TURBOGOTBANDZ, and I'm back with another video, man. I'm back with another vlog. Currently, right now, I'm en route to my boy Alex's spot, get the car wrapped, hood, the roof, and the trunk. So basically, I gotta debadge the trunk though once I get there, because I still got the Chrysler emblem on there and I got the 300 emblem on there. We're gonna have it sitting right now. Mind you, like, I didn't get the fender and stuff done. I ain't find somebody who have a replacement one yet. Right now, I just want the, you know, the top half look, because my car still looks good, no cap. And I also gotta wrap the back bumper too, because the back bumper is still white. Like, I had the black one on at first, but I got pulled over one day and he told me that the tag lights wasn't functioning properly on the car, so I removed it and put the whole new bumper on there with the ones that work, so we ain't got to worry about that no more. But push come to shove, I might just take that bumper off and replace it by putting the black one back on, right? And just taking the lights off of the white one, putting it back on there, just in case. You know what I'm saying? Just to see if it give it that good aggressive look, because I ain't gonna lie, I did like it with the bumper black on there, no cap. I'm using a 9/16 wrench. I mean, you know. Oh shit. This is nigga rig at its finest. I'm trying not to damage my paint and shit though, but it don't even matter because it's finna get wrapped. But it is coming up tight, easy. I ain't even cut. Yeah, boy. That bitch just came up, chat. Definitely did. There you go. Voila. Now we just gotta clean that bit. Got the Chrysler emblem off. We might end up throwing this back on though. We might. It's a hard might. 300 definitely might go back on. Oh, that came off kind of easy. That's off though. So now, what I'm gonna do is get a knife and clean it off. Now make sure when y'all dealing with stuff like this, wear a glove or something so you won't cut yourself. But all of this is nasty. It gotta come on. I ain't trying to go too hard because I ain't trying to, you know, scratch my paint up or nothing. But it's gonna get wrapped anyway, so might as well just go ahead and do what I gotta do. It's gonna take all day, no cap. Chat, man, nigga ain't got no lighter, so I had to pull out the torch, motherfucker. I'm about to reach up here and remove the antenna, cause y'all see how the antenna's up here. I'm about to reach up here, unbolting the antenna, take it out so we can wrap the hood, I mean the roof, cause bruh, it's only right we get the roof wrapped. So here we go, man. We gotta grab the special 10mm. Got it already. Smooth. We in there. Now, I'm gonna just hand tighten it. Or hand loosen it. Oh shit, I can't. On me, that should be killing me when I be thinking I'm hella close to hand loosening it or something like that. And that bitch still be needing more wrench. Should be killing me. Let's see now. Oh, bro. Just played myself again. Yeah. Bingo. Got it. Alright. That's all it was right here. Just removed it, bit. Oh. Right on time. So I be trying to tell nigga, bro, I love that car shit. I can remove it bit so easy.
Hey, what you did to take that bit out?
Shit, I took a little 10mm and got down, just unbolting it, but you gotta drop the headline a little bit though. Yeah. Finally got that guy out, man. This piece right here was trying to get mad. We got the hood up. Y'all see the 39 dude block, man. Y'all see how this shit coming. I need to get me an air intake, no cap. Once I get me an air intake, I'm probably get a different throttle body and all that shit. Y'all know I'm finna bust this motor open and get this bit geeked up how I really want it. I gotta put some more coolant in it bit, cause as you see, bro, the coolant be going down. I'm gonna fill it up with some more coolant. We're gonna rock out. Let me check my holes. Alright, the hole's good. Yeah, I know that bit good for popping off.
Photo plenty times, but it's okay. This life I'm supposed to send. Sitting in this cell, I wrote my name inside this broken pen. Put a cuff tight on my wrist. When I get out, I gotta ice again. Holding out these slugs, giving no love, cause they all bite your hand. This shit get crazy. I can't flex, I know it's coming today or next. Lay my demons down to rest. I know she proud, I did my best. They coming loud when you undress. Coughing out the shame, I stress. They toss a sack with loads of bread. Turn it to a brick instead. Jumped inside the streets, I can make it cold, round with ice, no she on niggas who steady froze, dawg. Bro, the show the game made a few numbers that ain't rose, dawg. You can't name a price that I ain't had my clients sold, dawg.
Alright, y'all, so we basically done with the wrap. Gonna pull her out the garage now. Definitely looking good. Alright, y'all, so here's the full overview of the car. Don't worry about the damages. I just told y'all I'm gonna get that fixed. So basically we got the hood wrapped in matte black, well, satin black, you know what I'm saying? We got the roof also, and we got the trunk. Now the trunk goes all the way down, you know what I'm saying? The trunk goes all the way down. But we're gonna get this situated. We're gonna finish out the rest of this. We're gonna make sure the wrap, everything is looking A1, so just stay tuned, man. No cap, bro. This is the car right here, bro. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I got a lot of stores for this whip, bro. It just, you know, gotta get my whip back to A1, cause you know, motherfucker wanna wreck a nigga shit. So gotta start over. But y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I do. I'd rather turn the whip over right quick, because I wanna talk to y'all, because no cap, I really do enjoy. I really do like this wrap. This wrap looks crazy right now, and I ain't gonna lie, this is only 25%. I still gotta get the SRT front bumper, and you know what I'm saying, we gonna get that grill. And once I change out this front bumper, I'm gonna get the whole car wrapped. Nice color, but I ain't gonna tell y'all the color right now. I'm gonna take y'all to the side part over here, so y'all can see exactly how the 3 Hyundai look, bro. Like, 3 Hyundai really look crazy right now. Like, the 3 Hyundai look crazy. No cap, like, definitely with me beside it, I just love it.
Nigga drilling into my trunk, man. Oh my god. That's don't look right. We definitely probably going to go bigger.
Yo, we're going through the most pain right now.
Battery going dead.
We're gonna rip this. We got the holes in there. We just gotta finish this side to complete the look, chat. We're almost done, bro. He's almost done.
Believe me when I tell you that.